So hi, we're in this bathroom. It's getting finished up in the next week or so, but I just had to show you. It's not completely done. You can hear it's a little echo in here. We don't all have all of the details completely put together, but the wallpaper guy just left this morning and installed this beautiful mural, Kuan Yin, at the foot of this soaking tub. So I am hoping you can see the whole thing from my camera because I can't exactly see what I'm showing you. Also, we had this room painted and as you can see, it's this gorgeous, gorgeous light adobe salmon color. Whereas previously it was ivory. And over here is an atrium that we're gonna fill up with beautiful green plants. And as you can see, that will connect with the mural over here and just add that nice live touch for the bathroom. So hope you're having a good day and I will talk to you next time.